What's up, guys? Welcome back to Technispeci. In case you're getting the Unarc DLL errors while installing the Ghost Recon Wildlands Dodi repacks, this is how you fix it actually. So first of all, you need the is done or Unarc x86, and again once more, in case you can't or you couldn't really launch your game, this could also fix it for you. So with that being said, let's begin. So first of all, when we come here, we have to extract this file. So I'll be providing these 3 files in the description. I believe you already have your game extracted already. So here I'm just going to extract the is-done file and the Unarc file. So I'll be taking the both of this file and I'm going to be dumping it here, just in case you needed a successful installation. So I've dumped in is done, so I'm going to dump in Unarc. So that's just the 2 things you need to do. All right, so next you have to do the setup. Whether you're running this with Fitgirl or you're running Fitgirl repack or Dodi repack, it's gonna work. Just dump the Unarc and is done files, and that's gonna be 100% gonna work for you. So I'm gonna just tap install, proceed, install in my other drive. Let's go games. Yeah, perfect. So now I've selected the other drive and I don't need to install these, and yep, I don't need this one as well. And then tap next and then just tap install, and that should get the job done. Install the application, the files successfully. But with that being said, I will be skipping this video to the next part where I'll be demonstrating to you guys how to properly make sure that your game is actually working 100%. Sometimes after installing this game it doesn't boot, so that's actually what we're going to be fixing in this video with the folder or file we have right now. So this particular file, before I'm still installing the Tom Clancy Ghost Recon, but I should give. So I'll be taking this. Okay, right now you can see it says Unarc .dll returned an error. So here we just tap an OK. You can see we did everything right to make sure that this file is going to install, but we still got an error. So what we're going to do right now is just tap the setup again and run as administrator. And before doing this, this is the final fix, so you have to go to your settings. So I'm going to be showing you guys what to do. So set your power settings to balance and make sure it's set to balance, and make sure you've placed your files where it should be, and then tap install. And let's try it again. I don't know why it didn't work out the first time. We'll just leave everything like normal and then go down, this, tap OK, tap next, and then we install once more. So yeah, and that should actually fix our issue maybe. So let's just leave everything to do its thing, and I'm not going to be touching the system. I'm just going to leave it. I'm not going to go to any browsers. I'm just going to leave it like that, and exercise some patience and see what's up. So like I said, it's finished installing. Now I'm gonna tap finished. It's gonna take me to Dodi website. So Now to fix this issue, so let's just try launching the game. We still have our fix file. It's not just gonna launch, that's just it. Okay, so we have to just copy this file here, right click on the program file and then tap open file location, and then copy this stuff and paste it here, replace, and that should fix the game, I think. Let's open it up. So yeah, it's launching now perfectly. So all thanks to gaming Dandy fixes. That was Danny PR fixes. So that's very easy. And then to download that file, I will be providing the link in the description below. So yeah, so basically that's how to actually install the necessary files. So one key thing is when installing your Ghost Recon from Dodi, make sure to put in the new Unarc DLL files, and also for the is done. I don't think that could be helpful, but again, maybe try not using your browsers, and just don't use your PC. Just let it install, and again set your power plan to be balanced, in balanced mode, and that should actually fix most of the issue. So that's that for now, and if you did find the video premature, make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. With that having said, peace.